Are you an NGO or a company that wants to implement a service or sell a product abroad, but you're not really sure how people will use it in a foreign culture? Then you should call us, 3i, Intercultural Innovation Initiative. We simulate your implementation abroad and come back with valuable feedback from your potential user. That can prevent you from unforeseen difficulties due to cultural differences. Sounds good, right? But do we tackle a real problem here? Well, let's tell you a story. A toilet story. Once upon a time, a big aid organization launched a project in a village in India. They believed that the crucial problem was the lack of sanitary facilities. So they built very nice public toilets. They were big and stable enough for the whole village to use them. And so they left. Now, you can't imagine what they saw when they came back after some months. The chiefs of the village were actually living in the toilets, while the rest still used the bushes and the streets. How could that happen? Well, it is an example for a typical cultural misunderstanding. The intention was good, but the research method was insufficient, as they looked at the problem just from outside. If they would have simulated implementation by testing a toilet prototype, the local people would have told them that they would use them as normal houses. And that is exactly what we are going to do. We travel to where you're gonna implement a project, and we apply a design thinking process as an interactive research method. That means, with your project in mind, we observe the local culture and do interviews with your potential users. We extract insights and develop representative personas. Then we come up with ideas based on their needs and prototype them. The local users would have the chance to test the prototypes and give feedback how to iterate on them. The whole process will be documented and presented to you in a usable format. Like that, you will be one step ahead, because you can predict the future of your investment and save a lot of money.